که تاریک تاریک حیدر مونده تنهای تنها میریزه آب روون اسما.
ये रास्ता खाली कर दें प्लीज, केज के इर्द गिर्द का रास्ता खाली कर दें, रास्ता खाली कर दें नीचे से.
حیدر مونده تنها تنها عمری اینقدر قاتل قلبت بوده وقتی پر زد دیدی که ابرو کبوده میسوختی و میگفتی یار جوونم زهرا جان خیلی برات داد بوده بابا تو امشب میشی مهمون مادر از ما بیشتر درد تو میدونه مادر امشب میشه مرهم زخم سر تو عشق سرخ چشمای گریون مادر
Let's be quick, guys. Be quick.
And ladies and gentlemen, the opponent fighting out of the red corner representing Team Scorpion, please welcome Sajjad!
عجب نوع بلند تو که گردونام گردانی همه شاهان غلامانند آقا جان تو سلطانی حیدر حیدر ساقی کوثر حیدر 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 ای مظلوم فاتح حیدر حیدر فاتح خیبر حیدر 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 اول آخر حیدر حیدر ساقی حیدر حیدر ای مظلوم فاتح حیدر حیدر فاتح خیبر افتادی در بستر زهرا بابا افتادی در بستر زهرا بابا عجب سروی عجب ماهی عجب یاقوت و مرجانی عجب جسمی عجب عقلی عجب
On the red corner, Sajjad out of Team Scorpion.
عجب ماه بلند تو که گردونام گردانی همه شاهان غلامانند آقا جان تو سلطانی بخوان تلقیه بر راه زندانی علی الحب و جنت قسیم النار والجنة وسیع المصطفى حبا امام الانس والجنة یا علی یا علی
Sajjad in the red corner.
حضرت دلی ربنا یا ربنا یا حضرت
One in the blue corner and Sajjad in the red corner.
Ladies and gentlemen, blue corner Muhammad Umar, red corner Sajjad. Referee in charge of the fight, Nasir Khan. Next fight, first pro fight, Sabir Khan, blue corner, Fahim Khan, red corner.
Sajjad and Umar. Sajjad and Umar. Umar in the blue corner, Sajjad in the red corner, 70 kgs category. Let's go, guys. Let's start this first round of the fight. Referees are here. There we go.
आते साथ ही स्पिनिंग किक थ्रो की उमर ने. I think if this fight goes to the ground, Sajjad has very good wrestling, very good grappling. सज्जाद का काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है, जबकि उमर भी काफ़ी फाइट्स कर चुके हैं, टफ फाइट कर चुके हैं. अच्छी लेग किक फ्रॉम उमर. ओह ज़बरदस्त, अच्छी स्ट्राइकिंग फ्रॉम सज्जाद.
jabs and punches.
ओह अच्छी किक, हेड किक, बट ब्लॉक की उमर ने. Once again, high kick from Umar. Once again, low kick from.
Both are on the
अच्छी गेम चल रही है, दोनों ही फाइटर्स अच्छे मंचे हुए फाइटर्स हैं. ओह टेक डाउन, बट
was a very good takedown. by
दोबारा से खड़े होने में
Sajjad.
कामयाब हुए और जबरदस्त टेक डाउन once again. This is a level of the game I wanted to tell you guys. सज्जाद की रेसलिंग एंड ग्रैपलिंग बहुत ही अच्छी है.
Coaches are both fighters are pumped up. Exchange of knees and jabs and crosses. Let's see who can take down from this position. Sajjad and Umar. Umar in the blue corner, Sajjad in the red corner. And we have got, oh, no. Umar is not letting him to take him down. We got the
Once again,
takedown
beautiful
here.
takedown from Sajjad. Sajjad the Scorpion. Haqqani. Side mount control for Sajjad. Heavy ground and pound. Escape किया triangle को.
I think Sajjad को उमर को ग्राउंड पे ही रखना चाहिए. The first round is over, guys. Let's see. That was a great fight. Sajjad is appealing that Umar has hit him. Like Umar ने उसको सर के ऊपर shots किए हैं कुछ. Sajjad is appealing for that. Now Usama, Mr. Usama is talking to the referee, Nasir Khan Yusufzai.
Second round.
The second round of the fight. Both fighters are logged in. Let's see the second round of this 70-kilogram fight. Blue corner Umar and the right corner Sajjad. Some great exchanges of the punches. Nice kick. Beautiful reverse kick. They're asking, it's nothing, man. Sajjad is asking, it's nothing. They're talking, they're fighting. They're doing both at the moment. He's asking, आपकी kicks का कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा. That's great, man. He's a good fighter. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh. बहुत बेहतरीन टेक डाउन की कोशिश बाय सज्जाद और बैक पे आने की कोशिश. दोबारा से खड़े हो गए उमर अपनी पोजीशन पे. Umar is on top. I'm sorry, Sajjad is on top at the moment. We have got armbar here by Umar. Let's see.
No, I think his arm was out already, but Sajjad is controlling really well on the ground. सज्जाद हक्कानी वो बंदा है जिसके वजह से स्कॉर्पियन फाइट लीग आज इस मकाम पे है. गुड किक फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, गुड किक फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड. आई थिंक सज्जाद को अपने पाँव को सेव करना पड़ेगा.
The second round is going to be last
Once
45
again he's
minutes
going for
of
the
the second
takedown.
round.
अच्छी knee shot.
बहुत खूबसूरती से दोनों फाइटर्स मौके का इंतजार करते हुए जा रहे हैं.
10 seconds.
Last 10 seconds. Sajjad अपने कॉर्नर को कहते हुए let me play with this guy, let me play. He's asking, let me play with this guy.
Time.
That's the end of the second round, guys. We got Umar and Sajjad. बहुत ज़्यादा जज्बाती हो रहे हैं कॉर्नर्स. Let's see. Let's see, guys. This is going to be a very good round from both of the guys, Sajjad and Umar. They're playing very good, and this is one of the best fights of this Saturday night at RFL.
Seconds out. Seconds out. Seconds out.
The time is up, guys. Be quick, guys. Be quick. The time is up. Both fighters are here facing each other's. Sajjad and Umar, this is gonna be the final round, and I hope everything will be good. Let's see. Both fighters are cheering up to each other. Fighters are there ready, the referees are ready. Let's start with the third round of the fight, guys. Ooh. Beautiful punches, exchange of the punches. Punches exchanged from the both sides. Oh, he tried to take him down, but nothing happens here. Let's continue with the fight. There's a lot of crowd. Beautiful kick by Umar. Nice punch by Sajjad here. They're asking, it's happening, it's nothing happening to me. Sajjad is still saying it's nothing. Her kicks are nothing. Boom. Beautiful kick by Sajjad.
Good striking from both sides. This is the last round of the fight. Achhi leg kicks from Umar, but achhi striking from both sides. Good fight. Umar and Sajjad. स्टेडियम इस वक्त फुल सपोर्ट में है उमर के, क्योंकि सज्जाद ऑल द वे फ्रॉम क्वेटा बलूचिस्तान, जबकि उमर जो है इनका ताल्लुक पेशावर से है.
They should. The time is going up. Here we got the takedown position, but no, they're on the.
Oh,
strike.
जबरदस्त पंच, क्या ही ब्यूटीफुल पंच,
क्या बात है?
एंड उन्होंने टॉन्ट किया. जबरदस्त फाइट. Once again, beautiful kick from both sides. निकलने में कामयाब हुए उमर.
Let's see, guys. Time is getting up. We're just one more minute in this final round. Both fighters are tired, but they have to finish the fight as soon as possible. Both fighters are stuck because their corners are more louder than the fight. They're trying to do some kicks, some punches. Both are on the striking. They're not making decision for the ground game. Ow! That was a good punch from Umar. Nice punch and kick from both sides. That's a nice kick. Sorry, nice punch from Umar.
10 seconds.
The last 10 seconds of the fight. I think it's going to be a hard decision
Time.
for the referees. This was the last round of the fight. Both fighters were pumped up. Both fighters showed their talent. It was a great fight by Sajjad and Umar. This is going to be a hard decision for referees, but they have to choose the winner of tonight, this fight. So let's go and let's see, guys, who is going to win this fight. Let's see, guys.
Fighters to the center, please. Fighters to the center. यार एक बार उमर और सज्जाद के लिए तालियां हो जाएं. बेस्ट फाइट ऑफ द नाइट अभी तक. बहुत सारी तालियां हो जाएं.
सामा भाई, इस फाइट के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे, सर?
खैबर पख्तूनख्वा बॉडी बिल्डिंग फेडरेशन के सेक्रेटरी जनरल अदील खान से गुजारिश है कि वो केज में आ जाएं. सईद इकबाल साहब से भी गुजारिश है कि वो केज में आ जाएं, प्लीज.
Let's see, guys, who's going to win this fight. It's going to be a tough decision, but let's see, guys. Let's see. Both performed very well.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of competitive MMA action in the Ronin Fight League 2026 here at the Ayub Sports Complex in Peshawar. The judges have made their decision by unanimous decision, declaring your winner
Sajjad the Scorpion Haqqani!
Got the victory. He fought very well, showed his talent. Teammates are dancing.
मैं अब गुजारिश करूंगा सदर केपी बॉडी बिल्डिंग फेडरेशन से कि वो सजाद को मेडल दे। एक बार बहुत सारी तालियां फॉर सजाद द स्कॉर्पियन हक्कानी।